We're here outside the MOSI Museum at a pedestrian walkway, and we have an elevator to ride. Or do we? It's broken, you see? So, yeah, it's a Schindler, and it is broken. That was a really loud car. Okay, anyway, there's the indicator. It's on 1, and it's not moving. As you see here, the buttons, HT, vandal resistant. It lights up, but nothing happens. Well, we can at least get a cab view. It doesn't look like these are maintained the best, but they are outside elevators, so yeah, you see, there's like vandalism. Here is your inspection certificate. So yeah, I think that's about it for this elevator. Let's go and ride the other one. Alright, we made it across the street. We are on the other side of Fowler Avenue, and here is the other elevator. This one may actually work. Let's see. Yeah, it works. That does not look promising. Like, okay, just look at this. This is a mess. Let's see if it goes. Alright, it looks like this one works. But again, the cab is just a mess. Alright, here we are at 2R. Just look at that. That is, that's something. Okay, let's go to 1. Here is your cab view. I mean, it looks like it could look a lot better if they just cleaned the garbage out of here. And maybe they wipe down the cab as well. But yeah, this shows that this elevator is not being maintained. And yeah, I can't even tell when the... Yeah, look, they're covering it up. You can't tell when the expiration date on the certificate is. Can you... I don't know, even if I push it in, nothing happens. They're like, it looks like they're purposefully hiding the expiration date, you know? Alright, let's go for one more ride. So as you can tell, this is a Schindler 330A, and it has these HT vandal resistant fixtures. 1. Okay, here we are at 1. I'm gonna end the video up at 2R. So, yeah, just look at this cab again. It is, I mean, seriously. This is a mess. I've said it a bunch of times, but yeah, it is a mess. Okay, since we're out here, let's just get a look at the road. That is Fowler Avenue. And as you can see, we are just at the corner of Fowler Avenue and Bull Run Drive. And We are also at the southeastern end, or the southeastern corner of USF's campus, right there. So, yeah. Alright, that'll be it.